allow me to introduce you to Blackjack. Blackjack is a 1947 Ford 79Y dually truck. Um, Blackjack is finished in beautiful hunter green over with black fenders uh, and a black diamond T plated steel bed and a beautiful teak stake bed kit. This rare Southern Estate classic underwent a professional award-winning Rotisserie restoration. It was an open checkbook restoration and build, not a question of how much, only how good. It included the exterior, the interior, the Brightwork, the bed, and the mechanics. The total investment exceeds $78,000. It has a very comprehensive list of options, including the Henry Ford all-steel body and running boards, a 3500 GMAC dually chassis, automatic transmission with power steering, power disc brakes, a 350 V8 engine, which we'll get to shortly. It has independent front suspension, and the interior includes dual rear video cameras.
That is awesome.
Sam, you see that?
I do.
And when it first arrived, I was wondering what these covers on the sides of the bed were.
Oh, wow. Okay. Enlighten.
If you come around back, you'll see the rest of it.
It's a rear camera.
That's exactly right. There's one on each side, which really enhances the rear visibility.
Wow, talk about being able to park it.
Yes. I have the 1947 Ford owner's manual. There's a Grant GT steering wheel, beautiful bird's eye maple woodwork on the dash, full odometer instrumentation, which is all functional and right in front of the driver. Air conditioning, which is ice cold. You could hang meat in here when it is on.
So Norm, these inserts, the darker brown insert, is that Alcantara or is it a leather?
It is leather with suede inserts.
Nice, nice.
And as you can see, that theme was carried out through the door panels and through the headliner. So it is absolutely beautiful. Again, not a question of how much, only how good. Another interesting feature is that 1947 Ford deluxe heater, which is functional.
Norm, it's really great how they've kept the old but really upgraded all the necessary new, which makes it so, I mean, just beautiful inside.
Thank you. Yes, I feel that way. When I saw Blackjack, it was a fall in love experience. It also has turn signals, and it is an absolute pleasure to drive. The windshield wipers have been converted from the original vacuum operated to electric wipers for reliability. And as you can see, Sam, I know you enjoy that, the split front windshield.
That's my favorite. I love it.
Yep. There was, as you can see, it is a dolly with the chrome wheels, and if those look like new radials, it's only because they are. The stake kit is a beautiful teak, which we're having finished, stained and polished, so it'll be absolutely beautiful when we're done. Heavy duty
diamond plate.
Diamond plate on the back. So
with a little bit of a rhino liner on the bed.
yes,
it's really durable.
Yes, be great for hauling most anything, motorcycles, farm equipment. There's also a heavy-duty trailer hitch on the very rear. And with the dually wheels on the back, it significantly enhances the stability of the truck, um, uh, the load carrying capabilities. You may have also noticed there's a dual exhaust system on the back of it.
Brand new. Beautiful. You know, I'm not normally a fan of resto mods, but this is really stunning.
There was a lot of planning that went into the build of this. As you can see, it just wasn't slapped together. The seating is just absolutely beautiful with no wear anywhere whatsoever. The cabin is fully carpeted, as you can see, and it does have seat belts. Sam, I really do enjoy the paint scheme on this. While it looks all black on the closer inspection, as you can see, the cowl on it is a beautiful hunter green. And back in the day, um, two-tone pickups were an option. The Brightwork on it is absolutely magnificent. No rust or corrosion or pitting anywhere ever. The hood has a unique opening right here. A little help there.
Yeah, that's a steel hood.
There is more steel in the hood of this pickup than there is in 100 Toyotas. The engine compartment is finished to show quality standards. It's a 350 V8, which was fully rebuilt. Uh, Four-barreled quadrajet Holley carburation system with headers and a dual exhaust system, high-rise manifold. Of course, it's been upgraded to an alternator and 12-volt electrical system. It has the late model air conditioning compressor R134A, which has been fully charged. The braking system is a dual system, front and rear, as you can see, and that's power assisted. And another key advantage is the serpentine belting system on the front.
Right, an electric fan.
And an electric fan and an aluminum radiator. The fan is thermostatically controlled, which will kick on whenever it reaches a certain temperature. Anyway, I was thinking if someone went they would pay significantly more than what I'm asking for this truck and would get something that would be maybe fully functional, but surely not as much fun as this.
Well, not nearly as eye-catching. This thing is gorgeous, and I just noticed these cameras up here, the rear cameras, awesome.
You know, when they built this, it wasn't a question of how much, only how good. And it was an open checkbook. Restoration bill at the $80,000 range. As you can see, the effort that went into painting of the dash and how it's finished underneath.
Well, what I like about this build, and I'll call it a build because it is a resto-mod, what they've left all of the great stuff about it being old, like the split windshield and the metal dash and all that, but they've added just enough touch, a modern touch, to make it great.
Steering is nice and tight, not an inch of play in it anywhere. The transmission shifts nice and crisp at all gear ranges. Braking, which is disc and new, was no problem whatsoever. There's no sway in it whatsoever.